Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about best supplements to detox liver naturally, liver cleansing pills. Most of the time the health of our body is linked with the way our body removes toxins. Nowadays, we are exposed to certain toxins present in care products and processed foods which makes our entire body unhealthy and unfit. A liver cleanse is a great way through which we can detox our body because our body rids itself of toxins is through the liver. Liver is also considered as one of the hardest working organs inside our body. There are certain herbs that are very helpful in detoxifying our liver naturally. There are so many supplements to detox liver naturally available in market. Burro-tutu bark. When it comes to liver cleansing, burro-tutu bark is considered as the most powerful substance. It also supports our digestive system effectively. This natural herb is filled with certain powerful antioxidants that help in protecting our liver cells from serious damage. Milk thistle seed, thus has been considered to have remarkable effects on the liver as well as gallbladder. It supports and detoxes our liver naturally. It deals with detoxification of poisons including alcohol. It promotes regeneration of damaged liver tissues. By stimulating the bile production, it improves our digestive system. Chanco Piedra, this herb promotes the body's natural elimination of gallbladder stones, kidney stones and liver toxins. It helps in purging the liver from harmful toxins and foreign particles. It increases the production of bile and also soothes our liver. It helps in reducing the formation of calcified stones in our body. Chicory root, this herb is popularly known for its vibrant blue flowers. It has powerful ability to improve liver functions and cleanse the liver. Its leaves and roots are great in dealing against a slew of liver ailments such as jaundice, gallbladder, constipation, indigestion, headaches and depression. It is a great herb that can deal against almost all the liver problems. It is used by certain herbalists in order to fight against fatty liver, estrogen dominance and can even fight against acne. It is a powerful protector of our liver cell. It flushes out the toxins from our body rapidly and effectively. It also calms the stomach for optimal digestion. Yellow dock root, it is considered as the best blood purifier and used to cleanse the toxins from our body. It breaks down the fatty foods and thus reduce the irritation of liver as well as digestive system. Some natural liver detoxifying pills are also available. Livox capsules, these capsules are very beneficial for our liver as they protect our liver from harmful toxins and chemicals and allow our liver to regain its optimum health and functioning. These liver cleansing pills speed up the cell generation by promoting higher flow of blood. It fights against the fatty liver effectively in short period of time. It is safe for both men and women and free from all kinds of side effects. You can find more details about livox capsules at natureagain.com. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.